Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful wall sculpture painting. This sculpture is really easy to make. To make this, we will need a thick cardboard. If you don't have a thick cardboard, then use 2 to 3 cardboard sheets and glue it using hot glue gun or any regular strong glue. Now I am going to use this tissue to cover our cardboard. You can use your cardboard. Make some small tissue pieces and apply glue mixture on it. You can also cover your cardboard with plaster of Paris and glue mixture instead of this tissue. Once we cover our cardboard with tissue, it will look something like this. Then let it dry completely. Once it dried out, use a white acrylic color to cover this cardboard. Then the next step is to draw image on a cardboard. I am tracing this image which I got from newspaper. You can use any image as per your choice. Here I am using pencil to transfer the image on our paper. Don't apply too much pressure. Once we got our image, take a air drying clay and knead it well. Here I am trying to make this same image using clay. You can also use these tools. Once it's done, let it dry for around 24 hours. Here I am using black color. After that, for flower petals, I am using Fevicryl soft acrylic colors shade number Salmon Pink 265. For leaves, I am using Sap Green 221 from the same brand. For this project, I am using acrylic colors only. For skin, I mixed three colors: yellow, white and red. For hair, applying one more coat of black color. For lips, I use red color. After coloring the main sculpture, I use white color to clean all the edges. Beautiful wall sculpture is ready. You can place it on side table or hang it on wall. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.